the dxy, dyz, dxz orbitals are electron density in between two axes. So this is low energy. These are low energy orbitals. So that is occupied in lower stage. That is ground orbitals. That is ground state orbital. Energy. Five reactors. So first stage is in ground stage. So the five reactors are equal in energy, are called degenerate orbitals. Then second stage is approach with ligands. So in this stage, the five orbitals are equal in energy. These five orbitals are equal energy. This stage also. Then next, the five d orbitals are splitting in two ways. These five d orbitals are splitting in two waves. So one is the x, y, y, z or zx or Eg orbitals are low attraction with central atom. So that's why Eg orbitals are low energy and still in ground stage. The low energy Eg orbitals are in ground stage. These are high standard. These are more standard orbitals. Then remaining two, that is dx square minus y square, dz square. This is called T2g orbitals. These are repulsion with center is largely. That's why these are high energy and exciting position. High energy and exciting position. So these are known as unstable orbitals. T2g orbitals are unstable orbitals because this energy is high and entered with higher levels. So these orbitals are very unstable when compared to T2g orbitals, Eg orbitals. So these are more stable and these are low stable. So that is five d orbitals are splitting these according to theory, crystal field theory. So the same diagram explained. So T2g orbitals are each one 0.6 delta energy. 0.6 delta. And T2g orbitals are, Eg orbitals. Eg orbitals are 0.5 4 delta energy. Each one in Eg orbitals have 0.4 delta in energy, and each one in T2g orbitals are having 0.6 delta in each orbital. So delta means crystal field splitting in crystal field theory. And these orbitals between difference is delta O. That is O is octahedral. O means octahedral. Delta O. So these diagram explain Eg orbitals are occupied lower energy and more stable, and T2g orbitals are higher stage and low stable. T2g orbitals. So between these two orbitals are delta O energy, and each one, that is each T2g orbital have 0.6 delta energy, and Eg orbitals, each orbital has 0.4 delta energy. So this is delta 0 is also called crystal field splitting energy, or stabilization energy. Stabilization energy or splitting energy, that is delta O in octahedral complexes. So this octahedral complexes, first one are electrons filled in d x y y z zx. Then remaining electrons is filled in T2g orbitals. That is dx2 plus dz2. Okay. So these are higher energy and low stable. These are lower energy and high stable, more stable. So there is octahedral splitting in d orbitals. It is called octahedral orbitals splitting. Octahedral orbitals are splitting. So this is first octahedral complexes. So octahedral complexes are coordinates number 6. These orbitals or central metal ion is coordinate number of 6. That means 6 ligands through central ion. 6 ligands through move central ion. L means ligand. 6 ligands are approach the central membrane. 6 orbitals. Because of coordination number is 6. Central ion coordination number is 6. So 6 ligands, this type of these diameter of occupied. Okay. Next, octahedral complexes. Then next one, tetrahedral, splitting of crystal field, splitting, crystal field splitting of tetrahedral complexes. Tetrahedral complexes. Crystal field splitting of tetrahedral complexes. So in tetrahedral complexes, central metal ion is coordination number 4. Tetrahedral complexes are in central ion, that is coordination number 4. That means 4 ligands. 4 ligands are tetrahedral geometry along with the axes. 4 ligands are tetrahedrally approaching with central metal. Okay. So in tetrahedral complexes, energy, this is ground state. Stage 1 or ground state. These 5 orbitals are same energy level or degenerate orbitals. Then approach of 5d orbitals are in stage 2. approaching in electrical field. That is second stage. Stage 2. This is also degenerate orbitals approaching with crystal field or electrical field. Then splitting into in tetrahedral complexes. Same way, but EG orbitals dxy, dyz, dzx. EG orbitals are more repulsion with central metal ion and having higher energy and excited state and formed in excited state. That is EG orbitals. Remaining two orbitals, that is remaining two orbitals, T2G called is dx square minus y square and dz square. These two are lower energy stage and ground stage. So in the case these are stable. In the case, that means tetrahedral complexes. These are stable and lower energy stage, but these are higher energy stage showing lower stability. These are lower stability. So in tetrahedral complexes, D is EG orbitals are 0.4 delta and T2G are 0.6 delta energy. T2G orbitals 0.6 delta and EG orbitals is 0.4 delta. So delta means delta T in case of octahedral complexes. Delta T means tetrahedral complexes. T means tetrahedral complexes. So the delta is crystal field splitting. Delta is crystal field splitting energy of T2G orbitals and EG orbitals. So the difference between these two orbitals, that is T2G and EG orbitals, is delta T, also called delta T. So the delta T is crystal field stabilization energy. Crystal field stabilization energy called delta T. So these tetrahedral complexes are, first one, T2G orbitals are lower energy in stage and stable. These are stable. And EG orbitals are higher energy and occupied higher stages or higher energy levels or lower stability. Lower stability. So these tetrahedral complexes in easy orbitals, each orbital have 0.4 delta. Easy orbitals, in easy orbitals, each d orbital, that is dxy, dyz, dzx, are 0.4 delta. And these two, that is T2g or dx square minus y square dz square, or each orbital have 0.6 delta. In T2g orbitals, each orbital has 0.6 delta energy. So the difference of energies, between EG orbitals and T2g orbitals are called crystal field stabilization energy. Crystal field stabilization energy is called delta T. So that is crystal field of d orbitals in tetrahedral complexes. So this is crystal field theory of d orbitals splitting into two waves. So one is octahedral complexes and second one is tetrahedral complexes. Crystal field splitting of octahedral complexes and tetrahedral complexes. So that is crystal field.